Hello bros, civilians. Today I'd like to address a common concern among serious Joe bros. What should I do if, mid-JO, something gay happens? Well, number one, abort mission. No matter how great the scenario, no matter how great you thought things were going, no matter how much you were looking forward to this particular JO scenario, if anything gay happens, stop JOing immediately. But number two, don't panic. You're going to need your wits about you, and it takes smarts and initiative to get out of a gay situation when you're in the middle of JOing. So you stop JOing, but you haven't panicked. Good. Number three is get out of there as fast as you can. Assess the situation. How many exits are there? Where are the exits? How can you get to them? Where's your car? How long is it going to take you to get there? What's the best route? How are we going to get home? These are things that you should be thinking about before you even arrive for the JO scenario, just in case. Gonna want to announce, this is gay, I'm leaving, get up and leave. And it's just that simple. Finally, it should go without saying that prevention is the best cure. That's why I only JO with card-carrying, certified straight JO bros. It puts my mind at ease and just lets me know that I don't have to worry about anything gay going on. I can JO with confidence. So I hope you've learned a little bit about what to do in case of the gay contingency, and I hope that you're not ever going to have to use this knowledge. Until next time, I'm signing off.